Hello students, today we will discuss the remaining question of exercise 5.3 chapter arithmetic progression. In this the question number 11th is, if the sum of the first n terms of AP is 4n minus n square, what is the first term, what is the sum of first two terms, what is the second term, find third, 10th and nth term. So in this AP we first put s is equal to 1. So this is 1 square. So this is 4 minus 1. So s1 is equal to 3. When we put n is equal to 2, then this is 8 minus 4. This is equal to 4. Here S1, Sn is 4 elements n square. First we put n is equal to 1. So it's equals to 3. And then we put n is equal to 2. 4 to 8 means 2 whole square is 4. And formula of Sn is n upon 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. When we put n is equal to 1, this is 1 upon 2 2a plus 1 minus 1 into d. So S1 is 3, this is 1 upon 2, this is 0, 2a. This cancel out, so a is equal to 3. And we find the sum of two terms. Here sum of two terms is S2. S2 equals to 4. When we put n is equal to 2, this is 2 upon 2, 2a plus 2 minus 1 d. S2 is 4, this is 1, a is equals to 3 plus d. So this is 4 equals to 6 plus d, d is equal to minus 2. So in this d is equal to minus 2 and a is equal to 3. After this we find what is the sum of the first two terms. So sum of first two term is S2, which is 2 upon 2. Here a is 3, 2 minus 1, d is minus 2. So this is 1, 6 minus 2, this is 4. This means sum of two term is 4. What is the second term? Second term is a plus d. So a is 4. D is minus 2. The second term is 2. And A3 is A plus 2D. So A is here A is 3. So this is 1. A is 3 plus 2. B is minus 2. 3 minus 4 minus 1. A10. A10 is A plus 9D. So A is 3. D is minus 2, 3 minus 18, which is minus 15. A n is A plus n minus 1 into D. Here A is 3, n minus 1, D is minus 2. So this is minus 2n plus 2, 5 minus 2n is the nth term of this A. This is the S1 is always equal to A, which is A is equal to 3. So S2 is 4. Here we find again S2 is 4 and A is 3. So when we put S is equal to 2, we find D is equal to minus 2 and A2, A3, A10 and An. In question number 12, the statement is, find the sum of first 40 positive integer divisible by 6. This is 6. 12, 18. These are the positive integers which is divisible of 6. N is equal to 40. Here A is equal to 6. D is 12 minus 6, 6. And Sn is n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N is 40. So it's 40 upon 2. A is 6 plus 40 minus 1, D is again 6. This is 20, 12 plus 39 into 6. 20, 12 plus 54. This is 5 2 34. So 20 into 246 0 12 9 4 4920 is the sum. In question number 13, find the sum of first 50 multiples of 8. 8, 16, 24 are the multiples. Here n is equal to 15. So a is 8. Common difference 16 means say it is 8 and s 15 is 15.2. Value of a is 8. 15 means 1. b is 8. This is 15.2 16 plus 14 into 8. 14 into 8 is 112. So this is 15.2 into 128. This is 64. 15 4 60. 960 is the sum of this series. Sum of multiples of 8. In next question, the statement is find the sum of odd number between 0 and 50. Here odd number is 1 plus 3 plus 5. Last one is 49. Here a is 1, d is 3 means 1, 2 and an is 49. First we find n by using a formula a plus n means 1 into d. Here a is 1, n means 1, d is 2. So this is n means 1 into 2, 49 means 1 is 48, n means 1, when divided by 2, 24, n is equal to 25. And Sn is n upon 2, a plus n is 49. This is 25.2, 50. This cancel out. So 625 is the sum of odd numbers between 0 and 50. Question number 15. The statement is a contractor construction job for specify a penalty for the delay of completion of a work as follows. Rs 200 for first day. This means 200 for first day, 250 for second day and 300 for third day and so on. Find the amount paid if the work is delayed by 30 days. So in this AP, A is 200, D is 50, N is 30. So S30 is N upon 2 which is 30.2. 2a is 200 plus n means 1, this is 30 means 1, d is 50. This is 15 400 plus 29 into 50. 15 400 plus 0 45 1 4. So this is 15 into 1850 0 15 5 75 120 127. So 27750 is the amount paid when the work is delayed by 30 days. I repeat this question. For a certain work, if the work is delayed by the specified date, then for the first day there is a penalty of 200, for second day 250, for third day 300. This means at every day the penalty increases by amount of 50 rupees. So A is 200, D is 50, N is 30. 30 is the total number of delay of work. We find S30 by using formula N by 2, 2A plus N minus 1 into D. So 27750 is the amount paid when the work is delayed by 30 days. Thank you.